Welcome to Draw with Bunny. Today we are going to draw a very cute caterpillar. So let's get started. In the first step, I will draw the head of our cute caterpillar. For that, I will draw a circle. Just follow along, curving down, moving up and meeting at the starting point. Here we go. Our first step is now complete. In the second step, I will draw the body of the caterpillar. For that, I will start drawing an inverted C. Just like this. Again, making the second segment. Again, repeating the step. All these segments are aligned just behind each other. I have made 5 segments. You can make as many as you like. Our second step is now complete. In the third step, I will draw the antenna of our caterpillar. From the top of its head, I will draw a curved line like this and moving in a spiral direction. Now, from this point, a curved line like this and then moving in a spiral direction. Here we go. Our third step is now complete. In the fourth step, I will draw the cute face of our caterpillar. For the eyes, I will draw 2 circles. Just like this. Now inside these eyeballs, I will draw 2 smaller circles. The first one and the second one. Again, repeating the step for this eyeball. The first one and the second one. This would be smaller than this one. Now I will fill the empty space. Our cute eyes are now ready. Now I will draw a laughing smile. First draw a line and then a curved line like this. Now for the tongue, I will draw another curved line. Our fourth step is now complete. In the fifth step, I will draw some cute feet of our caterpillar. Draw 2 lines like this and then little tiny ovals at the edge. Same goes here. 2 lines like this and little tiny ovals at the very end. Again, repeating the step, 2 lines and then little tiny ovals. The last pair of feet, 2 lines and little tiny ovals. In the next step, I will make my drawing a bit more prominent and I will fast forward the step. Now let's color our cute caterpillar. For his face, I will be using yellow color. And for the rest of the body, I will be using orange color, light green, light pink, purple, dark blue, and dark red. So let's get started. I'm coloring my caterpillar with rainbow colors. You can color your caterpillar whichever color you want. It's completely up to you. Dark blue, orange, purple, light pink, light green, Our caterpillar is now complete. See you in the next video with another cute drawing. Bye bye.